Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker QCY SP7 on your iPhone. And basically we have two options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. To create a widget you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries and click at this line. Or you can use a search and you can write batteries right here and click right here at the batteries line. It's the same. So right here we have 3 presets, just select the best one for you and click Add Widget. And you can check battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your speaker turned on and connected to your phone. The second option is to use QCY application. So you need to open it, and if you add your speaker to the app, you will see the same menu, and right here we have battery percentages. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!